I'm live, baby, okay? What's up, Kyle? Why do I trade ICT? Because it works for me. Yeah, started a little bit early. Just I wanted to give a chance to talk to all the boys. I'm sure most of you read the Discord message, so I'm gonna be a little bit more focused. So wanted to give a chance to talk to the boys. What's up, Chooch? Elliot, Yujiro, Connected. What's up, brothers? Morning, brother. I teach you real money on live. Sometimes, yeah. Not all the time, but sometimes, depending which video you're watching. Locked in, brother. Yeah, gotta lock in for sure. Um, should have filled my water before I went live. Um, well, some good news, some bad news. Our trade on I think is going well. Yep, the trade's going well. Um, Final TP. So we're up about 2R right now. Yeah, I'll trade my funded today. What's good, Tito? What's good, Tino? What's good, Usman? Usman. So this trade we took on odd JPY. I took it on yesterday, I think. So if I put my TV here, that would put me at. Let's keep it. You know why Nas rallied? Could have been some economic driver. Yeah, no, nothing. Just bullish, I guess. Just bullish order flow. Very bullish order flow, man. I don't know how anyone really could have got a piece of this. It says gap too. Weird. Just very bullish order flow. Down 420 chasing long on my funded. Yeah, I feel you, bro. I've been there. I've been there. No, you are wrong. What am I wrong about? TS happened yesterday? Turtle soup happened yesterday? What do you mean? Okay, Aishan, that's a good question, bro. I don't care about the fundamentals, Kyle, but if you do, then that's okay, bro. What's your bias? I'm gonna have to look for like. I mean, I'm bullish. Today's definitely gonna close bullish. Period. Um, but that doesn't mean we're gonna be able to take longs. We'll definitely have to look for a move lower. What's up, Marwa? Someone said exit on the 2 hour. Looking for an MMBM? Because I think I was looking for the same. Oh, this is the 2 minute. I was gonna say that's not clear. Yeah, this 100% could be. Like, this would be original consolidation, stage one, stage. I wouldn't look for it on the 1 hour. It's a little bit not too clean. I bet you the 30 minute or the hourly. Like, this would be original consolidation, stage one, stage two, dump, and then accumulation, reaccumulation. Yeah, it's there. It's there. I'm basically looking for a displacement higher from the weekly fair value gap as well. Looking for the 4 hour CISD. Yeah, longer to great. How about you? I'm good. I'm good. Can't complain. Slept well. You think ES on the weekly possible to previous week kind of rejection out the break or IFEG? I don't think. Okay, a couple things. I'll share my bias. Yeah, so the move is potentially done for the day. We've taken previous day high. We could go for previous week's high, and in fact, I'll mark out previous week's high. I'll mark out previous week's high, and I'll also mark out the daily rejection block, and we'll do that on both assets. We already hit the daily rejection block on ES. Um, this is the daily chart. In terms of, this is where we can go if we're going to go higher. I'm not expecting price to reverse, but if it's going to be very difficult to look for a high probability long. So we're going to have to look for some sort of continuation, right? This is probably not going to get taken. When we have equal lows here, but it's just not happening today, you know? Weekly breaker on ES, full port long. Now we got the move pre-market New York. Already made 1300 today. Nice, bro. Yeah, you're done though. Nice, bro. Very good. What's up, Wayne Jerry? What's up, Dragon? Harito, Camlet, David. What's up, brothers? Yeah, man, I'm proud of you, bro. It's good. NQ bias. You have to be bullish. Like, I'm not expecting any reversals. There's just no way I'm expecting that much points to the downside. Good news is our AMD position and is gonna definitely benefit from this. Um, our AMD and NVIDIA positions. So that's good. I should have bought more maybe. Yeah, might as well be done, bro. Good shit. There's gotta be some pullbacks on smaller time frames soon. Yeah, but in terms of the upside, like where can we really go? Damn, you ill? Nah, I'm good, bro. I think I just need some water. In terms of upside potential, daily rejection block, previous week high, but I don't expect that. I don't expect that. We've already hit the average daily range. Like this candle already went 400 points. Yesterday was 400 points. This one was 500, but that was 370. That was 350. That was 500. So like maybe a little bit more upside, but I'm not expecting too much. Do you think price is gonna reverse? This candle is for price to reverse. That's a 400 like 500 point wick. Like that pretty much never happens. Should I be trading futures? Sure, bro. Can you analyze Bitcoin quickly? Still bullish on Bitcoin, man. People ask me every day. Just bullish. Just go up all-time highs from the monthly fair value gap. Same setup. Yeah, we could get TGIF. We could get TGIF. It's possible. That's another thing to talk about for sure. Turn to discount? Maybe. TGIF is valid. TGIF is basically saying we're going to get a retracement of 20 to 30% of the weekly range. That's possible. Yeah, it didn't really give us any opportunity to get in on this long. And it's going to happen, man. It's going to happen, you know? It is what it is. I'm back. Just took the best up of my life. Nice, bro. Nice. Release that tension. Like, we can mark out these TGIF levels. I think we'll just have to do it like this, though. We'll just make it like that and then extend it to the right. That way we can just keep it on the charts. We'll just do it like this. That way it'll always be on the chart. So the high of the week. I missed everything you said, but thoughts on trading down to daily bitcoin and continue higher? Bro, that's too much movement. Daily bitcoin's 400 points away. Just TGIF possible. We will chop so badly today. Chop is very probable as well. We've already moved so much. We've hit the average daily range. We've already expanded to previous day high. There should be inversely correlated, yes. Yeah, there's no real clear drawn liquidity for short, but it's gonna be hard to look for a continuation idea. Could look for the hourly imbalance to continue us higher, maybe. 1,500 points pre-market. It's not 1,500. I mean ticks. Ticks. Previous week high. You looking for shorts? Nah, I mean, there is the TGIF model, but I will not be able to trust any shorts. I'm just gonna look for longs. Wait for it to align longs, and if it doesn't align longs, sit out. What's up, Rainy Path? How's your stocks looking? Pretty good. Pretty good. I probably should have bought more than 5 each. But we're gonna gap up pre-market. We're gonna gap up almost 2% on Nvidia, and then another 1.5% on AMD. For broker use, I use TradeStation, Interactive Brokers. So you pull up my stock position. Yeah, I mean we're up 0.3% on the position. Is that including pre-market? Or is that just... Yeah, it is. Well, it's only daily P&L though. Hold on. On the full position, we're up a little more, like 0.4%. So it's not that much, to be honest. I didn't get enough shares, to be honest. I thought we were gonna go lower and I could scale in. Anyways, I contemplated so hard when extra people at 2.1 to buy, and I should have. There you go, brother. Yeah, what's XRP at now? Full port Friday, going to full port longs. Good luck, bro. What are your settings for a TGIF? It's just 20. You just gotta mark out 20 and 30% of the fib. What is XRP at? $3.26. It'd be like that, man. If we're moving in the same direction, you expect lower probability conditions. What's up, Fofo? Welcome back, brother. Yeah, we just been pumping. I'm not gonna look for a reversal. I'm gonna have to look for a continuation. I own a little bit of XRP and a little bit of Solana. That's it. Very little. Like my portfolio is $100 only. So I sold most of my XRP earlier, to be honest. What's your bias? Long. I'm on that. Oh, you're on the odd JPY trade as well? Yeah, man, it's nice. It's going pretty well. I'm thinking about leaving it. Like, I have an alert for the rejection block. I think we'll hit this level at least, but I'm thinking about leaving it to this green line right here. That's my final TP. Previous month low. We'll probably get there eventually. Could even aim for lower, but I'm not gonna get greedy with it. I use Coinbase. Yeah, so I mean, what would your continuation model look like? Like that. Can I check JBP, JPY? Yeah, I'll check them because I'm curious. But yo, everyone in chat right now. Yeah, man, it also looks pretty bearish, which is good because I want to see this low get taken, so it's good. Definitely bearish. All right, listen up, boys. For those of you who are not in the Discord, what's good investment? Probably XRP. I'm bullish on USD GPY. I'm waiting for a confirmation. I'm gonna get some water, and I want you guys to read this message if you haven't read it already, so everyone's on the same page. Man. Let me just do this. Oh shit, we're getting that CISD. All right, I'm gonna just get some water real quick, but I want you guys to read this message so we're all on the same page. All right? You banked yesterday? I didn't take any trades yesterday. All right, boys. Coinbase very high in fees. I'm okay with that. I'm just holding it. I'm not really trading that much. Nice, bro. Good shit, Sammy. It's good stuff. Fast as fuck. I mean, it's just right there, bro. It's not that far. Okay, so hopefully we're all on the same page. I'm gonna be mostly if I'm reading chat, I'll be reading YouTube chat more. But I'm gonna be more focused on the candles. I'm gonna be less focused on reading chat. I might even put the no, I'll keep the TikTok chat open, but I'm not gonna read it. Um, I don't know. We're just gonna test it out, see if I can lock in better, focus more on the candles. So as soon as 9:30 comes, I'm gonna lock in a little bit, and then I'll just glance at chart here and there. So just know I'll be focused more on the YouTube chat. 'Cause, I mean, YouTube chat pretty much never. I'm supportive. Appreciate you guys. I know YouTube chat got my back, bro. I actually fucking love my YouTube chat, man. I look at other people's YouTube chats and they're fucking spamming and shit. And they're like, like I don't know, fucking spamming and shit. But my YouTube chat, I feel like my YouTube chat is fucking locked in, bro. TikTok chat is ass. No offense, guys, but you guys are hella troll, and all you guys do is spam and ask dumb questions. Get a checklist. I know I know my model really well, bro. Yeah. Yo, guys, he made his sixth account. Look at him. We'll get rid of that one too. My number one fan, Koala. Appreciate you, AG. Damn, this thing's going. I think we aim for the target daily rejection block. Yeah, daily rejection block, previous week's high. Those are possible. Do I think we're gonna get a continue it? I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. I have no idea if it's gonna retrace. I'll be looking for longs. I'm not gonna take any shorts. I'm not looking for any TGIF. Opening range gap is, yeah, come on, bro. I don't really trade Bitcoin. There was a time, guys. There was a time where I used to not live stream on TikTok. And I wouldn't say I was necessarily trading better, but I feel like I was really locked in. My biggest trade was $2,000. I'm not gonna end the TikTok stream, but I'm gonna put the chat away. I'll probably not be looking at both chats. So, all right, guys, we're just gonna lock in now. We're just gonna lock in. I'm gonna be focusing on the candles. We'll see what we can do. I will be trading on my funded, and I'll be trading on my eval account. So I have one funded, so one funded, and I'll be trading on my eval as well. All right, let's lock in here. So I'm gonna dictate a lot more. I'm gonna talk about what I see a lot more, and I'm gonna focus more. So if you have any questions, good luck. Maybe I'll see it. Maybe I won't. How do you manage both the funded and eval? You got a trade copier. I'll be trading my funded on Apex, trade copier on Top Step X for evals. Okay, so we're immediately going lower. I feel you, CRT. I feel you. All right, let's focus up here. So, yeah, I definitely not really interested in looking in any longs. We have a SMT at the rejection block, but I'm not gonna fight this order flow, you know? It's obviously being somewhat manipulated higher. There are literally large volume imbalances, or not even volume imbalances, just straight up liquidity voids forming inside the market, and I just don't want to be taking a counter. I'm not gonna say it's counter trend. Like this is very bullish. So I'll wait for a retracement. Um, we're gonna have a pretty large wick forming. I'm not too worried about that. I mean, in terms of hold up here. This is your classic model, and the criteria is met for a short here. The criteria is technically met for a short here. Hypothetically speaking, you could take a short like this. I don't know what I would target though. It's 2R maybe. That'd be a 2 micro trade. Let's put up the alert buy buttons here. We would have just tapped in. I wouldn't take it off. But the thing is, I need a clear drawn liquidity for this short, and I don't really have one. Don't really have a clear drawn liquidity, so it's a little bit skeptical to just short this. The model formed, but what am I aiming for? I can't just aim for 2R, you know? Like I kind of know it's gonna go lower, but I don't really know where it's gonna go. So I'm not gonna take this. There's no really clear level of sell side. Yeah, I just can't take this. I wouldn't target org because it's too large. You don't want to be targeting org when it's this large. It's almost 400 points. What the hell is it actually? Yeah, like you don't expect it to even, equilibrium is not something I aim for. It's not one of potential drawn liquidity for me. I want to target liquidity or imbalance. So I'm not gonna take this, even though the model criteria is met. Well, technically the model criteria is not met because I don't have a clear drawn liquidity. So I'm not gonna risk it. And the risk reward is not even that good. Yeah, there's equal lows right here, but that would be hit right away on ES. Like that's only 3 points, so that would be like pretty much not even 1R. So I'm just gonna have to just see where this goes. Force myself to align long. And if we don't get a long, we don't get the long. You know? You're talking about the RTH gap? I'm not looking at the RTH gap here. It's too large. Yeah, we're going lower into it right now, but it's too large. So I'm just gonna wait here. I'm gonna wait and see. Might even wait for the first 30 minutes, the opening range, some clarity there. We can scan this 30-minute fair value gap. I'm not gonna mark anything out yet. I'm just gonna see what's happening and how it's forming. And listen, that could even be the high of day. Like we don't even need to go above that. So just gotta be really patient here. I'll quickly look at chat now. I'm 13. I want to get rich. You can start day trading. You target discount FEG. Yeah, you could do that. You could. That is something I used to actually backtest, where you would just take the entire dealing range, and then you would target the first discount imbalance or low. That's not a bad drawn liquidity, and I might actually get back into doing that. But I only use that for retracement ideas, which I don't really like that. I don't really like that. What is a dealing range? A dealing range. So it's not just this range, for example. It's the range, the most recent buy side sweep and sell side sweep. Target equilibrium. I don't really like targeting equilibrium. Not every retracement is going to lead to equilibrium. I don't think it's a high probability drawn liquidity. You can do it. It's just me. I'm not that happy with it. Not that happy with the. So we touched the 30-minute imbalance here on ES. So I'm going to go back to focusing up, guys. So just want to make sure I'm not persuaded when it comes to actually clicking the button. Lose or win. Shouldn't care. But we did touch the 30-minute imbalance there. We do have an SMT at this low. I'm going to watch this, see if we get a CISD right here based off of this SMT and higher time frame imbalance. We also took buy side, sell side, so we could get a double purge idea here. I'd probably long this. If this is 2R alone, that's 2R alone, and that's not even aiming for anything more. This is not your first presentation, so ES got a clean inversion. This trade would be a 2 micro trade or 3 micro. We didn't really get the CISD there, so a little bit more hesitant now. We never got the change in the state, so that's good. So it looks like we might get to the 30-minute bullish imbalance. Sorry, not bullish imbalance, buy side imbalance. So we'll make sure when you mark that out, you're including the volume imbalance. I'll leave that marked out right there. Looks like we'll probably get to it, but we'll see. This is your 30-minute BISI. And as of right now, we do have an SMT like this. Listen, for everyone saying going short, you can go short if you want to go short, all right? I'm really here just to follow what I see. You know, I'm here to trade my way, not your way. You don't need confirmation from me. If you're bearish, go short. I'm looking for longs. I'm trying to align myself here. And if the longs don't form, then I won't take them. That's just what I'm looking for. You don't have to follow that. We're trading NASDAQ. The TikTok Gaming Live Pro pays good. No, not really, bro. Not really. Let's focus back up here. We touched the 30-minute BISI again. We could get a breaker here with the change in the state. That would definitely be a nice criteria for long for me. If we can get, and I want to see a pretty immediate breaker plus the change in the state. We'll see if it happens. I like it because it's a really solid candle for a breaker block. We're entering like a more optimal trade entry of this range, for example, you can use, but let's just see what happens. I mean, we're not going to force it. I'm not going to force it. It needs to be clear. It needs to be clear. Good news, Nvidia is looking really good. Our odd JPY trade is looking really good. We're up like 3R on that. That's good stuff. It's good stuff. So let's go back to the NASDAQ here. Make sure we're analyzing the NASDAQ charts. So we're almost at that TGIF, 20%. I have not taken any trades. You'll see me if I take a trade. I'm not going to hide any trades. We're almost at that 20% TGIF, which is very interesting. It wouldn't have given me an entry anyways because I wouldn't have had an entry there anyway, so it doesn't really matter. But it looks like 20% TGIF will be hit there. And it looks like if you go to the 15-minute dealing range, yeah, we're almost at a discount actually. So we're definitely getting into some long territory. which I like. So we can frame an idea here off of this discount 15-minute fair value gap. We don't need to go down there though, that's the thing. We also don't need to. And not for my model. But we'll see. We're inside the 30-minute busy. We'll see. This idea still stands for me. A little bit early though. If it was in the macro, it'd be a little bit better. So we'll just wait. The chart colors differ the mentality. I like these colors. Maybe I'll change them later. I'll look at chat for a bit. That short would have cooked. Yeah, there's no entry here for me anyway. So when do you swing? Do you swing enter on the 1 minute time frame? Nope. When I do my forex swing trades, I usually enter on the hourly. Click the hourly is my go-to. Waiting for 10 a.m. Yeah, you can wait for 10 a.m. We're definitely overextended. Are you profitable? Only some months. Am I on the 1 minute? Yes, I am on the 1 minute. This is NASDAQ creating lower resistance. Yeah, we're entering some liquidity here. It's possible we can run on that later. This also could be high of day. You got to be, in my opinion, you got to be careful. I've not taken any trades yet. Why am I looking for longs? I don't want to fight that bullish order flow. I'm not expecting the daily candle to reverse. Are you profitable in specific months? Like some months I ended in profit, some months I did not end in profit. I don't understand. That's not a breaker. Low, high, lower, low. If we get the higher high, I'm saying, then it'll be a breaker. No, I'm just gonna go back and forth, Kuala. Alibaba, sorry. I did not take any trades yesterday. When you swing, you need more capital because stop loss would be bigger, right? Oh, I just lowered down my size. All right, let's log back in. That was enough questions. We did go below midnight opening in London session. So this is your accumulation, manipulation, distribution. And if you were to project this swing, it's going to be a very extended swing. I mean, we're almost getting standard deviation levels -10. And if you use the entire leg, which I don't really use, it's still -5. So yeah, very overextended in my opinion. But not going to look for shorts. I'm personally not going to look for shorts. Yeah, that's it. If you guys want to listen, you guys do not have to follow me. I'm not here to convince anyone to go long. Not here to give anyone. I'm just here showing what I see. If I get it wrong, I got it wrong. If I get it right, I get it right. If we get this bullish breaker, I will go long. All right, I'm going to focus back up here. But so far, no signs of bullish order flow after New York Open. So we just have to wait. Looks like we can go lower, maybe into that discount we talked about. All right, so I'm looking at this range. This is your dealing range. So you have a 15-minute busy right here. Now, it also aligns with your TGIF level. There's no really good way to short that, in my opinion. There wasn't really an entry. I'll say 15-minute dealing range, discount, busy. Just identify that as clearly as possible to see if we can get there. We will mark that up. It'll also align with your TGIF level 20%. So we could also mark that up just for clarity's sake. I'll mark that up as well. So 21482.275. So I'm not missing anything. No need to worry. So definitely need to be cautious here because this could be the high of day, We don't need to go any higher. I'm just not interested in taking any shorts. I want to see if we can get to this discount busy. This is kind of like a sweet spot for longs because it's in a discount and it's a discount PD array. And it also hits the TGIF level. Okay, there we hit the 15-minute discount bullish fair value gap. I believe that might also be an SMT 846. No, no SMT there, no SMT there. So we hit that fair value gap. Yeah, we definitely hit that fair value gap on both. There's no fair value gap there on ES actually. Low, high, lower, low. I mean, this would become a breaker if we get the large expansion. So I'll look for this breaker, and I'll look for this change in the state of delivery. But I'd probably need to see some form of fair value gap now because we're a little bit deep, and I start to question whether or not we're gonna go higher. But we'll see. If we get a clean breaker block here, I like that. You know, I would like that, and I would probably long that breaker block. Stop would cover the order block. That's a 3R trade if it forms in this direction. I want to see a clean move higher though. And this would be a 2 micro trade. I think we can trust this. It's 4 minutes going into the macro as well. So if we get that closure above, ES looking a lot more bullish. We can also wait to see if we get a bullish fair value gap. So we didn't get the closure above. So I'm gonna wait and see, do we get a bullish fair value gap? We did get the CISD. So I'm gonna look to enter on this fair value gap. Hopefully it doesn't go too far. It looks like it might go too far. But I'll trust this fair value gap. Right? We hit the discount levels. We form. If we get the closure bullish, then we can trust it. If we don't get the closure bullish, then we can't trust it. We could always just enter on the breaker as well. Is that a volume imbalance? No, it's not. See, if this candle doesn't close bullish, then we'll see. I mean, we'll see. I'm gonna hover by here. See if we get into that BISI. Yeah, so we're inside that BISI. I might market buy at any moment now. All right, let's get in here. Let's get in here. We can try the longs here. So stop is gonna go down here. We followed all the rules. This is exactly what I wanted to see pre-market. It happened. I'm not gonna hesitate. So we'll see. You got to be confident. You got to be confident. It's a unicorn setup. Like it's a good trade. Now we just wait and see. Now it's out of our control. Make sure our stop is one tick below 21.5. So not the reaction I wanted to see right away. That is a CISD on the 1 minute. ES looking a lot better, in fact. Hopefully Nasdaq can try to catch up to ES here. ES looking a lot better. All right, we touched the low of the buy side imbalance. So, I mean, this is technically the low here. So let's just remove the breaker and draw the buy side imbalance out. I would want to see an immediate move higher now. Going into the macro. I'd want to see an immediate move higher. The bodies are respecting 50% as of now, but again, we're not getting the displacement that I thought we were gonna get. Hopefully the macro can send us higher maybe, and we can survive being in this position until the macro. It's kind of what I'm looking for right now. I'd also want to see this form as an order block. And if I only took 2 micros, in hindsight, we could have taken 2 micros and then scaled in if that formed, but we took 3. And it looks like ES, man, looks like ES is going to take the buy side first if this is going to go higher. So let's just make sure here that we're looking for a 2R and that's it, maybe. Like that's 2R right there. Oh, let's just say like this is 2R. Let's see what chat is saying. Probably wait for market shift, no problem. Why bullish? Just aligning with order flow. Can someone conviction in your voice? Have some conviction in your voice? Or what? This is NASDAQ. You should wait candle close above to complete CISD. We got the CISD right here. We're inside the macro. ES looking a lot better, man, than compared to NASDAQ. This is also your first presentation for Value Gap, actually. I'm just not getting that expansion. Just not getting that expansion. So making a lower low there. This was a really good trade, honestly. I'm happy I took this. I want to see if that low can stay as protected. This low. I don't like that that candle has no low, but let's see. 2-minute chart might be a little more clear. Yeah, we're definitely holding in that 3-minute SIBI. It's giving us a chance here to get out, break even, but I think we're just gonna let this one go. Is my odd JPY break even? Brother, I entered a really long time ago. Like I'm all the way entered all the way up here, so I'm pretty good in terms of that position. Okay, we're getting some sort of upside expansion. That's good. I want to see like a clean move above this high. I can already start to feel like some emotions coming up, like a little bit of excitement, because I lost the last trade, right? But it doesn't matter as long as we don't make any decisions based on that excitement. I'm just being honest. Like when you lose a couple trades in a row and then you see something like this, like you get happy, you know. Like I can't help it. So we have to make sure that this is our 2R. This is 2R right here. I'm happy to close at 2R because we're gonna get an SMT if the buy side gets taken. So for now, like our low-hanging fruit objective is gonna be somewhere around there. But I mean, we don't know if this is gonna play out yet. ES a lot more bullish, unfortunately. Like ES is so much more bullish. So yeah, I don't know. Yeah, that displacement down is not what you want to see. We didn't even hit the rejection block, so let's give this a chance still. Give it a chance. It's not over. But obviously not the best trade because I mean we're just going sideways. What's up, Les? Good morning, bro. Looks like we might hit SL here. I don't need TGF level, is just not one of my criterias. We hit the discount. We hit the discount Sibby. The discount Bissy. All right, we took this low on ES. I'm hoping that that's as low as we go, and then we can move higher from there. If we get an order block here, I will trail my stop to break up to this swing low. If we can get the order block here, but we're just going sideways. I mean, this trade is not, it's obviously not that good. We're just going sideways. But if we do get the order block here, I will trail my stop. ES playing out a lot better, unfortunately, than NASDAQ. We'll see if we can get that order block. I'm happy with this trade, though. I want to see an expansion here, man, all the way up into this, forming this. Like, I want to see a higher high. Well, obviously, because I'm long, but I mean, if we get a higher high right now, there's a good chance we'll continue. I am tempted to trail my stop here because after this low, the next thing that's here is my stop loss. But I don't want to do that unless we get the order block. It's giving me a couple of chances here to break even and get out. It's giving me a couple chances. Like, you know, if I start to lose confidence, I could just click X. You know, there's nothing wrong with just clicking X right now, but I still kind of believe in the idea. Like, nothing's really told me that it's not gonna go. You know, I mean, besides the sideways movement. We're really just going sideways. I don't know if it's the fact I really want this to play out that makes me not close right now, or if it's the fact that I should just be confident and trust in the idea. This is not what I wanted to see when I entered. Um, but I mean, it's not a bad trade. Like, we would just sit here and trust it. I mean, the stop loss is there for a reason. It's to protect us. Why did you trade without an SMT? I don't really care about SMT personally. It's not a criteria for me. So much terminology for nothing. I don't use it then, bro. The macro has been so bad. Yeah, this macro is not doing anything. I exit when this happens. Yeah, you definitely have to consider exiting here. Wait for the price to go up, bearish FEG at your sell limit, then go for a short. Probably not gonna short that, but we'll see. I mean, it's gonna retrace opening FEG. Yeah, there's a good chance we get there, even if it's not gonna take the buy side. With software, I'm using Top Step X. Yeah, you're right. We already moved 500 handles, so. Anyways, let's focus back up here on the charts. Close with some profits. I'm gonna do what I want to do, brother. 2022 or 2023. 2022, in my opinion, is better. I don't like the fact that we came up here and did not get above is like kind of like a little bit of a red flag. Looks like we might get the SL here. So again, making another low. Did not get the OB, and we made a lower low. Looks like we might get the SL here. And we're out. L trade. First trade, L. I will look for another setup. I'll look for another setup. But for now, let's just sit back and see what happens. So we're taking out the sell side here. Now we have an SMT. I'll probably look for the same longs as it will meet my criteria if we get expansion higher now. So if we do something like this, I'll look for another long. It'll meet my criteria again. So we'll just wait and see. We can also watch and see if ES ever invalidates this gap or not. That was a good trade. I'm happy with that trade. We can see here. You got our break even. Nice, bro. Sorry? Don't be sorry, bro. It was a great trade. I'm really happy with that trade, brother. I know, fuck these haters, bro. Everyone loses. Don't worry, bro. I'm chilling. I'm not even gonna look at the chat. We're just gonna look back and focus up here. Okay, we touched that daily. It should be right here. I'll see if we can get above it. If we get the CISD right here, yeah, I'm just gonna go long again. Same exact idea. Just making the argument that I got liquidated and we're gonna try long again. Same idea. Yeah, looks like we might have just been swept. Might have just been swept. We have to close bullish. I don't need a limit order. I'm just gonna buy at market if I see it. Trading my strategy gems, which is ICT based, yeah. We didn't invert, we didn't get this yet, so no confirmation for me yet to go long here. Is it normal? This fair value gap is not first presentation. It's this one. This is your first 1 minute fair value gap. This is gonna go. This is gonna go higher. I'm gonna buy it as soon as it ticks down. All right. One more trade. This will most likely be my last trade of the day. We can just trade on eval after this or something. So we got the CISD. ES obviously more bullish. We got the inversion of first presentation. Same exact idea. We have the SMT now. So a little shy of 2R there for where I want a TP. I'm not gonna be greedy for 1R. I mean for 0.1. I like this trade. I'm not gonna overthink this. Like, yeah, we have been going sideways, but I mean, we just got swept. The idea was good. I still trust the idea. We got inversion first presentation. So yeah, we do have some sideways movement here, but you know what? The 10 a.m. power of 3 is not that nice though, if I'm being honest. There's not really low. Well, that's fine. We shall see. We shall see. Put the stop here where it's supposed to be. Okay, we touched this imbalance. We really shouldn't go any lower. Looks like we might just be entering in a sideways market. We already came into this imbalance. We put in the SMT. We got the inversion. So, in my opinion, everything's there. If it's gonna go higher, it'll go higher now. In my opinion. Hopefully we don't get another wick here and we just continue to expand because this just keeps happening. We just keep going sideways. Get some expansion, man. We're gonna have to break even if ES takes this high. Give me some nice expansion above these highs. Not this wiki shit. Okay, take partial 5 MCD. I'll probably do full close position because we're gonna get an SMT at the buy side, and I don't really mess with that. I'm starting to think that we might not get that, but nice trade. Yeah, the first trade was good too. This is also a good trade. I like the speed in which that candle came, but let's get some continuation here. So we got to be careful here. ES is about to take the buy side. Hopefully we can hit TP and buy side at the same time. We can reduce the stop here. I don't like that wick, but we do have a bullish imbalance right here, hoping that this can send us higher. Let me see some nice continuous bullish order flow. Like, let's respect this fair value gap, form the order block, continue making higher highs. That's what I want to see. I feel like a lot of recent times, like I enter a trade and it forms a fair value gap like this, and then it just immediately inverses it. Like I want to see some continuous bullish order flow showing me that this idea is correct. Let's scan the other time frames. We are forming a 2-minute gap, 3-minute, 4-minute, 5-minute. There's a 5-minute city there, but like we're targeting what we're targeting 6. I'm looking at the 6-minute chart. We are inside the 10-minute Sibi and the 15-minute Sibi. Yeah, that is interesting. We might have to break even this one. I am gonna break even this, guys, because there's a chance that we're wrong, and this is gonna continue lower. We did hit a 15-minute Sibi. That's not something I want to mess with. It's not something I really want to mess with. We should also respect this fair value gap, leaving the consolidation. So I am gonna go break even here. See if we can invert the 15 or not. ES looking a lot more bullish, man. I mean, there isn't even a 15 on ES. Yeah, so definitely looking like an L. I mean, well, a break even. Show the stop here. And we're out break even. Yeah, I think that was a good decision. I think that was a good decision. I don't think this is starting to look like a protraction model, and I don't think it's gonna go higher. I don't think it's gonna go higher. In fact, this inversion would give me criteria for shorts. And I think we're gonna take it because that trade was break even. So 15 minutes to be. Yeah, I'm gonna sell this. This will be my last trade. Let's clear this up. I'm shorting this inversion. And stop will go to this candle's high plus 1 tick. This will be my last trade. So the reason I'm shorting, I'll explain my short. It's starting to present to me as a protraction model, not a reversal. This is a 15-minute SIBI. We came up immediately when we touched the 15-minute SIBI. We came down, had an inversion fair value gap. So that's my criteria for shorts. Clear drawn liquidity. To me, we're likely going to TGIF levels now and deeper discount. We have an hourly SIBI right here, for example. So I think we'll take out this low. So that was a quick decision, but I'm happy with it. Didn't break any rules. And there's no level here. We cut a clean inversion. So yeah, looks like we might be wrong. And we'll just have to watch this go. But we'll see. I believe in my idea. This is -1. Why did I change my longs if longs are still valid? In my opinion, longs are not valid. That's why. Changing my bias. Change my bias there. I would want to see this order block form. I like that we're respecting the city, but we gotta see some displacement down. NQ is the weaker asset, so it's the better short as well. You can see that in the balanced price range in there. In fact, I'll probably trail the stop here. Good risk management from me today. I have my clear drawn liquidity is TGIF 20%. I think we're gonna come reach this 20%. It's also the relative equal lows on ES. It's also the 1 hour SIBI, 1 hour BISI right here. This is the 1 hour bullish fair value gap. So even if we're gonna go higher, it would kind of make sense to go higher from here. So it's a pretty good short in my opinion. And it meets the criteria for a protraction. It's also 10 a.m. power of 3 in play. I like the longs a lot more than the shorts. This 10 a.m. 10 a.m. only went up, we came down. So protraction for 9:30 power of 3. And then reversal for 10 a.m. power of 3. It's 15-minute SIBI. But I mean, it looks like we're wrong, so yeah, we're out. So we're just gonna have to sit here and tape read now. But good risk management. Good risk management. Minus 2.5R. We'll see if this goes lower. I personally, I still think it'll go lower. But we'll just see. I'm not going to take any more trades. You're over trading? No, I'm not. Equal highs above, run out my place. We didn't break any rules. Are you targeting London lows? Well, targeting 20% TGIF and hourly bullish fair value gap. Waiting for you guys to take the high, S&P to short. Yeah, that might play. Price didn't even leave your entry. Yeah, we didn't get any displacement. Shit, Gaddy, what happened? Why so many orders? I took 3 trades, guys. One of them was break even. So I allowed myself to take one more trade. You're changing your decision so fast? I'm fast, bro. I know what I'm looking for. It's playing around, taking a long time to be a good trader, but it seems like you're stressing a little bit. I'm not stressing, bro. This guy lost it. It's not my fault if you guys can't see the trade, you know? I'm here to follow my rules. Nope. 2 losses, 1 break even. 2 losses, 1 break even, yeah. But one of the losses were reduced. NQ is known to move faster than ES anyway. Yep. No trades, no wins this week. 1 win, 1 loss today. Made $1. Nice, bro. This sell is gonna play out, but you moved your SL too fast. Maybe. You need to test more? I don't need to test more, bro. Are you funded? I am funded, bro. What about the bear CFTC at the market open? I don't think we're gonna get there. You're doing good, but you shouldn't change decisions so fast. Why not, bro? We went into premium waiting for liquidity to get OB. You're good. Yeah, no, it was a good trade. I would take that trade again. Added 2 more shorts. We're already in bearish order flow though. Love your patience, risk management. Appreciate you, bro. Friday and huge move. Like how quality defend them all. The GOAT. I mean, we're just going sideways. It was a good trade. I don't know. It's okay if you're different. What's the rules? You're following for a setup. 15-minute bearish fair value. So I'll tell you guys the idea. I'll tell you guys why I went short so fast. 15-minute bearish fair value gap. 15-minute bearish fair value gap. That meets criteria for a protraction model. 9:30 open. I'm making the decision that I don't think this high is going to get taken. Okay? I don't think this high is going to get taken. I think we're going to go lower first. We have relative equal lows on ES. And for NQ, we have a huge hourly imbalance, which is this low right here. So we have a lot of reasons to go lower. We have the hourly imbalance, we have TGIF 20%, and we have the 15-minute SIBI all playing. We inversed this fair value gap right off of the 15-minute SIBI. So immediate inversion, 2 solid candles with a strong displacement lower. 2 solid candles with a displacement lower from the fair value gap that led to the move of the 15-minute SIBI. So I'm making the argument that this high is protected because the drawn liquidity is lower. You know, that was the idea. We also have 10 a.m. power of 3. You can see 10 a.m. low did not really manipulate into any specific level. So that's a little bit of a confluence. We were also just at the end of the macro there. So the inversion happened 10:09. So I thought leading up to the macro, we could finish up strong with this. It's also just on 1 minute. If you're just going to follow the AMD pattern, 10 a.m. power of 3. Just accumulation, manipulation, and we distribute lower. So to me, it was almost an A+ trade. Pretty much A+. There's not really much more I would do. The only thing that could make it more A+ is if there was an SMT, which, I mean, there is. Like over here. Like, there is an SMT like this. And the only other thing would be if 930 high actually manipulated into some sort of level, then it would have been better. But I'm happy with the trades I took. We'll get a cleaner P after Trump gets. Yeah, maybe. Damn, what's all these names of these stuff? Just the language. But we just sub liquidity to the lows. What do you mean sweep and liquidity? Oh, this? Yeah, but this is also relative equal lows here, so I thought we'd go lower. 10 a.m. maybe into a key PD rate. 10 a.m. did not do anything. 9:59 a.m. did. 10 a.m. Oh, you mean this move higher? Don't worry, bro. No, I'm happy with my trades. No, I didn't break any rules because I went break even on one of the trades. And it was the same trade idea. That's the key. That's what I allowed myself. If I lost the second trade, then I wouldn't have traded again because that's my rule for max loss limit. So I always talk about when I give myself 2 trades, most of the time, there's one exception, is if I enter the exact same trade idea, which was the second trade I took, and then we broke even on it, so I allowed myself 1 more trade. Looks SMT not equal lows. It is SMT, you're right, it is SMT, but on ES it's equal lows. So if you're bearish, depends how you want to see it. But yeah, it looks like price is just not going to do much, to be honest. Maybe we read too much into it. But I mean, what I wanted to see, like we called out what I wanted to see pre-market. It happened. I executed on it. we talked about hitting this fair value gap and then getting a breaker. That's exactly what happened. Then we came lower, put in an SMT, came up again, breaker, broke even. So 15-minute 1 minute SMT inside a bullish fair value gap on the 15 in discount. It's a pretty good idea for continuation. But then you can see here, price was just, what it looked like to me was distorting, forming this 15-minute SIBI to touch it in the macro, and then I thought we'd continue lower, but I'm just going sideways. Do I still think it's going to go lower? If I had to choose, I'd still say lower. Yeah, I wouldn't expect that to be different. We took 3 trades today, 2 losses and a break even. Fake SMT, show your trades, please. Yeah, sure. So I don't know why there's so many. It's just because I got filled differently. So it's not what it looks like. You know, we bought here, sold here, bought here, break even, and then went short and hit the move stop. And I'm still bearish. I still think it'll go lower. But looks like we're not going to be a part of the move. We can just demo trade if anything. Look for it. This is where I'm about to go 10 for 10. So what's the lot size for the trade? Just 3 micros. Understand? I thought you shorted. I did short at the end here. I did short. I got stopped out right there. And I do think it'll go lower still. Yeah, we can see. I'm still in short line myself. 15 minute and higher. Nice, bro. Took that same trade. Nice. Moved SL too fast. Yeah, maybe we moved the SL too fast, man. I'm still in short line myself. 15 minute. TP or SL today? SL, brother. Printing baby, time to take out the low. Yeah, it looks like we might go lower here. I would have TP'd right here. Or at least I would have broke even at this point. So we can just pretend we're still in the trade. Let's see what we would do. So this was the original trade. I think I got filled somewhere like here. So I would have to aim for 2R, right? So I would break even at this low and then aim for lower. The original stop was good. Yeah, the original stop was good, but I mean, the fact that we reinversed this fair value gap, like, I just didn't trust it, you know? Like, I thought that as soon as we come lower here, we should not come back above this high. It's just sloppy. It's just sloppy delivery is what it is. It's okay. Yeah, it looks like it would have hit TP. And realistically, TP would be 2148.75, even maybe lower, 21386. So if we're really gonna tape read this, 21386. Like I would aim for probably this, and I would break even right here, or just take it off at 2R. I'd probably be break even now, hypothetically speaking. Yeah, I think I had the right idea to switch bias there. I just should have kept the stop loss, I guess. Do you think we'll get a reaction to 5-minute FEG? I don't know what 5-minute FEG you're talking about. I think we're gonna go lower though. Made a ban from the 1-minute inversion. Nice. I tried that 1-minute inversion as well, but yeah, I got stopped out. Fully out at the 1 hour busy. Nice. I don't think we hit it yet, but yeah, that's what I would aim for too. For sure. Your most profitable day. Nice, bro. How do you find SMT? You gotta look at the 2 pairs. SL was wrong, but so above SIBI high first candle. You're right. You're right. I mean, ideally, the best stop loss is right here, realistically, which is where I put it originally. I trailed it too early. You know, trailed it too early. Trailed the stop loss too early was the right idea. And you know why? I'm gonna tell you guys why I trailed the stop loss too early. It's because I didn't want to lose as much. That's literally the only reason. I shouldn't have trailed my stop. Like it made sense in a very clean market. It makes sense, but it's not a clean market. So you got to just keep it where you know it's not gonna go, which is right here. You know. Yeah, I mean you could also short this fair value gap. I can paper trade this just for fun. Damn, bro. We can paper trade this. We don't even need a limit order. Let's just sell it. So I'll paper trade. Explain TGIF. You're basically expecting a retracement on the weekly time frame. What's up, Chico? Wait for a reaction. I don't like waiting for a reaction. I just short it when it hits 2-minute imbalance. We're doing good, bro. We're doing good for sure. 2 losses, 1 break even for me personally. You lost how 3 times in longs right now. You're in longs? Good luck, bro. I think it's gonna go lower personally, but I hope it works out for you. 10 a.m. power 3, man. Yeah, you had to get below 10 a.m. for sure. You're 0-2. That's okay, bro. This week was not good. Not for me. Well, model. I'm using my model, Gems. Gatie INTP in the short. Nice. I think it's gonna hit this low too. At least. Realistically, at least I think it's gonna hit that low. I think it can go even lower. Higher time frame right now, I think it's gonna go lower. If you mean like daily chart going into next week, yo, look at our Nvidia trade. It's doing pretty good. How's all JPY doing? Damn, that's a really crazy displacement higher, bro. What are we even up on the odd trade right now? Yeah. Shitty move from odd JPY, but it is what it is. All right, we'll see if it hits. Yeah, so see it hit that level. So I'd be break even now. I do have a video on Seek and Destroy. Yeah. Yeah, we were right about this short. Next target. I wouldn't aim for much more than that. If I had to, I'd aim for 21386. Wouldn't aim for much more. You could aim for like a more discounted range, but I would trail the stop like and hold it for 21386. We took 2 losses. No, I'm not taking any more trades. Happy with my performance. 20% retracement on the weekly range, exactly. Which would be 21484, which we just hit right there. So that's why I would TP here. It doesn't need to go any lower, in my opinion. It can. It definitely can. But I would have TP'd right here. Looking for longs? Nah. This is TGIF 20%. Nice, Rito. Thank you. I'm proud of you, bro. I appreciate you too. So that's this level here, which is this level here that we marked out earlier. So yeah, I mean you can look for higher now, but it's not really a nice time. I think that was the move. Like that was your move, you know, and it wasn't that clean, but you have to just trust this inversion with the 10 a.m. power of 3. So that's the idea. That's the idea. Is there a volume imbalance there? Nah. 2-minute? 3-minute? No. I'm just gonna mark this up. I can put it in my journal properly. You can see the 10 a.m. power of 3 played pretty nicely. At least the idea of it. To buy side and sell side. Came up, took the buy side. Inverse, take the sell side. Just had to keep your stop loss That's all. You just have to keep your stop loss where it was. So that was the idea. I'm glad I switched narratives there. Well, that broke even. Now she's pushing back up. Yeah, man. Typical. Now might just keep going like this the rest of the day. You got to win. No wins today, bro. I went long. Nice, bro. Good luck. $400. Took the same trade as you, Gaddy, and I almost stopped out too. That's okay, bro. You are a Discord? I am not a Discord, but I do have one. Gaddy, go hard time frame, draw a fib. You'll see why. I already know about the hard time frame. Tapped into 1 hour busy. We did test the 1 hour busy. Yes. That's this level right here. 1 hour busy plus TJF 20%. Still in longs. We're so close. Yeah, nice. Good luck, bro. Can you create a virtual anti-Gaddy character that demo trades everything in reverse with your stops being his TP? No. Why the fuck would I do that, bro? This sounds weird. Did you win the short? No, I didn't. I got stopped out before it went lower. I put mine above the FEG, but this is terrible market. Yep, if you put it up here, you would have been good. You would have been good. You would have been good. What's good, Guardy? What's up, bro? In longs, 10 a.m. power of 3. I think this is gonna keep going up and down, bro. My personal opinion, but yeah. I got a lot of gifts on TikTok. I don't need those gifts, guys, but I appreciate it. What do you think it'll go? Probably buy side now. Appreciate you, Camlock. Got you, brother. Probably the buy side. Probably the buy side. If it consolidate to 11 because we pumped during the point. Yeah, I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if it just does something like this. You know. You got stopped. Yeah, we got stopped. Down 580 for the week. That's okay, bro. Let's put this in the TradeZella journal. I got stopped as well. I'll journal these trades. Make sure you journal. Yeah, we had the right idea. We had the right idea. Well, we got stopped. 10 a.m. silver bullet. I wouldn't even. Doesn't look like anything algorithmic's about to happen, bro. Do you trade? Do you full time or you got other things going? I got other things going on too. I don't make enough money from trading. Hey man, how long does it take to all the info you learn sticks and comes together roughly? Depends how much time you put in. It's not about how long. It's about how many hours. Check M5. I mean, yeah. Yeah, maybe. I would probably expect it to take the buy side still, but no, my TradeZella is good. Are you using it with Apex? Are you profitable? No, only some. Like I haven't had a profitable month. I mean, I was profitable last month, but no, like I don't make consistent income if that's what you're asking. You think it will hit $10? What $10? How much do you make from trading currently? 0. Last year I made. Last year, not including stocks, I made 3,000. If you include stocks, 10,000. How much do you make from trading? Yep. The 2022 Model P, if you got in your Discord, is fire. Do I have a 2022 Model P yet? You mean 2024? Or 2016? You're just unlucky? No, I would never blame it on unlucky or luck. Recognize market instability. Yeah, for sure. Basically, are you long or short in SB? I'm not in any SP positions. How long have you been funded and why do you only make 3K per year if funded are so cheap? I've only been trading for 1 year. I only got 3 payouts last year. That was my first year trading. Why did I only get 3K? I don't know, bro. That's how much. That's what I got. But I don't know. Like, what do you mean? Why? The ICT trade should be in Discord. Isn't it 22 trading well? It's close. Like he teaches it in 2022. If that's what you're asking. My bad. No, you're good, bro. I just started day trading at 16. I know I will make it. I believe in you, bro. Long now from the inversion. I personally wouldn't touch this market anymore. You don't like PA, you won't take a trade, you still take a trade. It's okay, bro. At least you manage your risk. Look at the bright side. And then just journal, just tell yourself, like, I should have trusted myself, not touched this PA. The questions you get are always crazy. Yeah, it's okay. People are curious. I don't mind. How much are you funded? I'm only funded 50K right now. Trying to pass these two evals, but so far we're up. We used up half our drawdown, so looks like we might have to restart unless we can turn things around next week. I will be trading next week, yeah. I'm not even mad. Yeah, that's okay, bro. What platform? I use TopStep and Apex. Thoughts on EU? Um, I like longs from the monthly fair value gap, but it hasn't formed yet, if that makes sense. Like, price is still sideways. I'd want to see something like this. If that happens, I can go long. FTMO good. FTMO is not bad. Set up by the moment of busy. University of Cities and we got CSD. Nice, bro. Hey, bro, from India. What's up, brother? According to me, this long is the best trade of the AM session until now. I'm in it. Nice, bro. Good luck. Yeah, I think we can take the buy side here. Just playing off seek and destroy ideas. Relative equal highs, always a good target. What's your thoughts on GBP? Same thing as Euro. You trade on Saturdays and Sundays? The market's closed, brother. Do you know any prop firm that's good and cheap prices? Funded by traders, it's probably the cheapest one you can get if you use the discount code. I think that's the cheapest one. When you almost hit your max drawdown on a funded account, just use max contract size and hope. Yeah, maybe we'll do that for the evals. Yeah, I shorted all JPY. It's pretty much at my entry right now. It came up huge, bro. Like, it was looking so good. This was TP. Like, these lines. Then it just all the way up today. No retracement, nothing. Just 9:15 came. There must have been something that happened. Maybe some news or I don't know what's happening here. Gold bullish for you? Gold 100% bullish for me. Top Step's the best. You said funded by traders. I'm gonna type it in chat for you. I don't think he's trading futures, Noir. Yeah, but if you full port and have a bit of drawdown left, it stops you have most of the time with just a wick. Yeah, I mean, you got to full port smartly. Right? Give yourself enough time. How old are you? I'm 22. My funded futures also good. Yeah, they're my number 2 personally for futures. Honestly, I was waiting for SEM at the high VS and NQ before entering short. Still waiting. I'm gold. I'm bullish on gold. I've been bullish for 2 months, to be honest. This monthly fair value gap, I've been looking for it to deliver higher. What about TPT? No idea what that is. It just faced a daily OB in the daily. Yeah, hopefully it can continue lower, man. I did not expect this much. I wouldn't have expected this move. Like, I don't like that this happened. But I'm not going to move my stop. I still like the idea. In fact, we just have more engineered liquidity lower. So, take profit trader. I don't know about that. Haven't even seen anything about that. You could try to get in, Toffee. You could try. I don't like full porting. I don't like. I'm back here now. Have you tried trading the Asia session? I've back tested it a couple, but I don't really like Asia. What a beautiful pre-market morning. Yeah, if you click to buy, then you were good. How long have been posting and going live? About 6 months. I got MFF funnel long gold into momentum. Sure, bro. That's your strategy. I believe in you. So you can see Nasdaq just going sideways here. So kind of seek and destroy idea. I searched Google. Can't find funded by traders. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. It's this. Fundedbytraders.com. This is what I use for Forex. And my discount code is like 20% or 30% or something. If you want to use it. I mean, you should use a discount code. I don't know why you wouldn't. Everyone wants a discount. You trade ICT or something? I heard fair value gap. I do trade ICT. 5 minutes to be holding no one NQ. I still think it takes the buy side personally. But that's just me. I'll wait here and see. Inbox me? No. First of all, who even says that, bro? Inbox me? What is that? Maybe PM session. I would not trade PM session, but it might be better than this. After Trump comes out, you should go best for you. See Trump come to White House. Tell me. No idea what you just said, bro. But I think we're gonna go higher to this green line that I just drew. No idea what you said though. I took 3 trades today, 2 losses and 1 break even. Are you looking for longs or shorts? I'm not looking for anything. I'm just watching price. But you can see we took the buy side there. There's SMT now. So yeah, all-time highs on gold. That's what I think. XRP, pretty bullish, man. Civi, sell side imbalance. Price was so chopped. Price was really chopped, yeah. We pretty much got chopped as well. Like, we could have hit TP on this trade, but it really went sideways and made a second guess. I shouldn't have moved my stop loss though. My original stop loss would have held. We would have hit TP on that trade. Same thing here with the long. Can hit 4. I think it can probably hit more eventually. It's just about whether or not you hold it. I feel that same trade but held only W for the day. Nice, bro. Yeah, it was a good short. You just had to keep your stop loss there. I have taken a trade today. We lost. You lost 4 out of 5 trades and 1 break even. How do you want to continue with these stats? I just plan on keep losing, you know? My goal is to just keep losing. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna keep doing. Any promo codes for Topside? Topside doesn't give any codes, man. They're already cheap though. It's $50. Like it's already, you know, it's already pretty cheap-ish. They're pretty rare. They're pretty stingy, and they really never give discount codes. It's pretty rare. I'm saying that if Trump came to leadership, is gold obviously fall or not? I have no idea. This is 100% seek and destroy. Yeah, 50 chill. Fund about trader the same price as FTMO. Not with the discount code. You can get 30% off with my code, I think. Or anyone. Use the code. Doesn't have to be mine. Buy Dark Trump. No idea what that is. I'm saying that if Trump comes to leadership, I don't know, man. I still think gold's gonna hit the green line. Once he comes, it can do whatever it wants. It's not about when he comes, it's about when it hits the green line, in my opinion. It's gonna hit all-time highs. I'm pretty confident in that, but that's not advice. What's he can destroy? This. Boom, 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 boom. Just hunting liquidity on both sides. Seeking destroying. You gotta keep your trades really tight, otherwise you will get liquidated. I hold a little bit of XRP, yeah. Only a little. And a little bit of Solana. I did trade today. We took L's today. I'm gonna head out. Take care, Yoshi. Appreciate you coming through, brother. What about seeking destroy plus FEG? Huh? What does that mean? You trade meme coins? Not anymore. Lost too much money on meme coins. I only won like one. I had like 1 4x. Yeah. 1050 macro. 1050 macro is approaching. I don't even know what I'd look for. Don't even know what I'd look for. Maybe we get SMT at the buy side, then we can look for a short. I mean, I wouldn't look for it. How many accounts would blow up? Funded or evals? Or both combined? It could go high. Are you into NFTs? Nah, not really. If you could go higher, we tap into one anniversary. Both? In my entire year of trading, I'd probably have to guess, I don't know, maybe 12, 15. Including the ones I got payout on? I don't know. I'm ahead. I'll take care, brother. Bear till big 3 years. 4 the highest of 15. How old are you? I'm 22, brother. I can offer financial assistance. Sure, bro. Go for it. I'm good. I don't want some. But if you want to offer to other people, that's okay, bro. Yeah, we hit TGI. I wouldn't say reversal, but definitely seek and destroy. Moving higher off TGIF. Buy Hitopia. How long you trade? I've been trading for 1 year, brother. I normally open long and sleep. Well, you just open, go long, and then go to sleep? Good question. AMD and NVIDIA. So I entered 5 positions 2 days ago. And it's kind of already going up a lot. Yeah, we're actually up a decent amount. I'd probably wait for it to go lower next week. I'd try to buy the low of next week if that makes sense. So on Monday, 9:30, it's gonna do this. And some point of the week it's gonna go down. I'll try to buy that down. Because I was gonna scale more. I thought we were gonna go lower. I just wanted to get a small position. I only bought 5 contracts of each. Or 5 shares. Of each. But I feel like we can go lower, so I'm gonna wait. You like catching buys or sells for stocks? Yeah, we took 3 trades today, no wins, one break even. Look at the 4 hours into the look at the minute open bridge with the locks. I've been trading so far. How do you feel? Nope, I don't feel like I was rushing. I'm really happy with what I did today. Look at Nick's SMT low. You trade stocks. There is no rushing. Like, you see it or you don't. I saw it. I saw it quickly. A lot of people were saying like, oh, revenge trading. But just because I entered a trade after I got stopped out doesn't mean it was like a revenge trade. The trade made sense. In fact, the trade hit TP. The only mistake I made was I trailed my stop. This was the original trade, right? So I did this in the middle of the trade, and it would have hit TP. I just had to trust my stop. So yeah, it was a quick decision. It was a 1 minute decision, but I was already starting to build that narrative in my head, and that's why I don't like reading chat so much. Because like, I know, like this is what it is. This is what I think affects me. I know I'm gonna make decisions that people are not gonna agree with, and I don't like. And people, even if they're not rude, like people ask for an explanation or expect an explanation, or they just assume I'm wrong. They'll be like for example, we were saying like, oh, bro, you're rushing. Like, why are you rushing or what? But like in reality, I'm not. Like there was a 15-minute SIBI. The TGIF level was in play. Price was distorting. There's a 10 a.m. power of 3. We set equal lows on ES. All right, we had the inversion immediately inside the macro, 10 a.m. power of 3, 20% TGIF level, resting with the equal lows and the hourly BISI. That was a really good trade short. But to most of the people most of the people who were like in stream, they were just like, yo, why'd you rush it, bro? Your longest win streak, they're both 7 actually. They're both 7. Why short if your bias was long? I changed my bias. Don't be scared to lose. Trust yourself and your ability like a robot. Appreciate you, bro. Trust trust out of anyone here, understand you the most. I hope I had your discipline. Appreciate you, man. I had a question. My model presents itself a lot of times, but in many cases it does not work out. But when it does, it's really amazing. What should I do to improve it? You gotta go over the losses and see what's happening. Is it wrong drawn liquidity? Is it bad stop loss? Is it not a good enough confirmation? You took that short. Nice, bro. Yeah, I tried to take this, but I know I got stopped out before because I moved my stop here, which was a mistake. I'll definitely be journaling that. Trading is a solo game. Yeah. How the fuck you be so fast, bro? I'm just fast, bro. I don't know. I'm just fast. But yeah, that's why I made the announcement in the Discord. Like, that's the main reason. It's not that people say like it influences whether my bias is wrong, like, or whether I trust my model. Like, it's none of that. I know what I'm looking for. I trust my model. I'm so capable. But the only part that kind of frustrates me is like when I make a decision that I know other people don't understand. And I'm not trying to sound like a dick, but it's just because I know more. Like I know what I'm looking for more than you know what I'm looking for. So, and I don't want to have to like explain myself every time. Like I'm happy to break down the trades, but like when I went short here and everyone was like, "Oh, why'd you go short? Like, oh, why you revenge trading? Oh, bro, you're breaking rules, bro." Like, I'm not. You don't know what I know. You know, you didn't see it. I saw it. So it's not that like it affects the trade itself. It's kind of frustrating. How many advice use models have you studied, bro? All of them, bro. No, but it's not even that they're hating. It's just like they're saying like, oh, no, I guess they are kind of hating. But it's not really their fault. They think I'm just going on tilt and stuff. But can you explain why you went short? Yeah, so I got you, bro. This is TGIF level. No, YouTube too. Um, 1 year. I've only been trading for 1 year. How to set a buy stop, sell stop on TradingView? You have to right click trade and then buy stop. Common sense. If you don't tell them, then who will? Yeah. What exactly is my entry model? I have a couple entry models. Member only, dude. They have to pay for membership. I'm not gonna do that. That's so bad. And it's not bad. In reality, I can just put the chat away. Like, it's not that it explain the short. So this is a short. 15-minute SIBI formed. This SIBI formed in time distortion. Like, time was distorting. This is all time distortion. And it came up into the 15-minute Sibi. Inside the macro, okay? Inside the macro. I was initially bullish from here. I actually took this long and I hit break even. Okay? I took this long and I hit break even. I thought there was a chance that we were going to reverse and take the buy side. And then I quickly realized that, price was distorting here. I didn't like the fact that 10 a.m. candle did not have a low. So this is 10 a.m. opening price right here. There's no clean low below it. There's no manipulation, no fair value gap, nothing. Just expansion. There's a small tick, but that's not the low you're kind of looking for. So that was a little bit of a red flag for me. So I broke even this trade, right? Thinking that we're going to most likely respect this 15-minute Sibi, at least come below 10 a.m. But my main draw on liquidity was this level right here, 20% TGIF, 21484.75. I annotated it this beginning of the stream. So as soon as I realized what was happening, that this was a distortion, it's a 10 a.m. power of 3, so A and B down. I quickly realized that we're likely to reject off this 15-minute Sibi. As soon as I saw this inversion and we formed a bearish fair value gap, I realized that this is going to most likely come to this level. So I took the trade like this. In fact, my fill wasn't that good, but I didn't mark. I got in somewhere like here. I got in somewhere in this wick. I don't know exactly where, but that was the idea of the trade. I moved my stop loss. So after we moved down a little bit, I put my stop loss right here. So I got stopped out right here on this red line because I trailed my stop. My original stop was right here, which I should have left it. Why did I make that decision? I feel like I just wanted to justify losing less. I think I just lost a little bit of confidence because it was going sideways. Anyways, I put my stop here, and then you can see it delivered. So it was a good trade. And then ES ended up taking the buy side after. We're down today for sure. Where did you learn this? You have a YouTube? I do have a YouTube. I learned this from ICT on YouTube. Who cares? It's $1. Yeah, but I'm not gonna make people pay to watch. What's the point of going live? The point of going live is to show my journey. I'm not gonna make people pay. I can always just turn the chat off. How long did it take you to learn ICT? 1 year, I guess. No, less. I guess 8 months. Not hating, just asking. I was initially bullish, but then I realized I was wrong. At least in that narrative, in that specific idea. And I'm glad I did. How'd you do today? 2 losses, 1 break even. Go long. Woo. We're down today. We're down. Free backtest website, GatieTrades or Trader Casa. I lost it in longs. Many ICT traders took the same entry. Yeah, it's okay. I mean, the sideways was not, 2 losses, 1 break even. Yeah, it happens, bro. Thank you for showing us your journey, man. Appreciate you, bro. Appreciate you following my plan. Nice, bro. Yeah, follow your plan for sure. I was down 1,200. I just made it back up to 936 profit. Damn, bro. 2716 sell. I'm not on gold. Bias sideways. Really informative today. Many thanks. Appreciate you, brother. Yeah, I think it's more educational if I focus more on the candlesticks. And long term, it'll be beneficial for me. Did you close your long? I got stopped out a while ago, bro. Educational for me. Appreciate you, bro. I was bearish. You were bullish. We were both liquidity. I was bullish initially. Then I switched. But I mean, I was bearish. But when I say I was bearish, I mean, I only thought we were going to go here. This blue line. I was only bearish until this blue line, right? I specifically said I wouldn't hold it any longer. So it wasn't like I was really bearish. It just, I could tell that the bias was bearish in that specific narrative. On shorts, because this could reverse off the FE, but you are in take a scalp. Just trying to help you out. Good. Following your plan. Appreciate you, bro. I don't really understand what you're saying, though. Oop. On the 15? What on the 15? You don't believe it's going to make a higher high on the 15? Then this? ES already did. So, no, there's a crazy SMT. I think it's going to continue going sideways, man, if I'm being honest. Valid short right now, in my opinion, it's just sideways, man. I don't know. Like this is so decoupled. Like an S&P like this is a red flag almost. But I would definitely not look for longs when you have an S&P like this. This is all high resistance going higher. It's not clean. Yeah, we can take out this little buy side right here, maybe, yeah. But in terms of getting all the way up there, no. Appreciate you, Daniel. Appreciate you, brother. Daniel, you seem like a good guy, bro. You should come over to YouTube chat. What indicator are you using? Just the one that puts out GatieTrades right here, and then the one that marks out the opening price for New York. So I don't use many indicators. So I'm gonna annotate this for the journal. So make the 10 a.m. power of 3 here. Yeah, we can just leave it like this. I want to annotate this. Does the tell us something about the high time frame power? Does the exercise amount only apply every hour? Yes, every single hour, brother. You're looking for a setup? Nah. Already took 2 losses, so usually I'm done by then. Get along with your government account. See what Barcelona break even. Nice, bro. Let's play chess. It's going sideways anyways. What website do you use to day trade? Tradeovate on Apex and TopStep X. Okay, so we can just set up the charts for next week or for slightly next week. So, I mean, good thing we bought in the video before it was too late, I guess. But I wish I bought more now because I don't know. We'll have to buy the Power 3 a week, the weekly Power 3 next week. Yeah, Bitcoin. So AMD, how much percent are we up on my position? Let me check. What's your buys today? Sideways. A little past 50% drawdown on my one eval. I'm also 50% drawdown, and I'm not gonna reset it, bro. I'm gonna keep going. I think I can turn it around. What did you say? I said I'm the same. I'm in the same position as you, and I'm gonna hold my trade. I mean, I'm gonna hold my account. I think I can pass it. We're up 50, 57, 50. Oh, we're not even up 1%. So hold on. 50. Yeah, I mean we're up 0.7% on our stock position right now, which is I guess is not bad. I should have got more shares, but obviously that's just hindsight Harry. Told myself I was gonna buy more, and I didn't. I am Muslim. Nope, I don't use those indicators on Top Step. They're not there. I simply use Top Step to place the trade. Macro's playing out. Maybe, yeah. My eyes jumped to this imbalance right here. Appreciate you, Harito. How many times have you been banned in live, bro? I've had 2 this week. I've never been banned, bro, actually. Are you looking for shorts? No, I'm just here talking to chat. I'm already done my trading for today. That's your first TP. Nice, bro. Yeah, I think that's a good objective. It's a good objective. 10:30. No. I even put no special. It just happens, bro. Yeah, it's unlucky. I didn't even put that. I don't know. You bullish? Not necessarily, but I think we can reach into this level if that's what you're asking. You trade based off liquidity, imbalance, time, and then SL to be in. I'm out for this alpha session. SL break even and let this one go. Yeah, it's a good idea. Yeah, it's hard to trust with the choppiness. Missed the name of the ICT indicator. It's called ICT Kill Zones and Pivots TFO. How did you do today in this low price action? Not good, brother. 2 losses, 1 break even. It would have hit TP, but I adjusted my stop loss too early, and then we got stopped out. Time to go short. Price at premium. It isn't a premium. That is true. How much do you risk on the Express? $200 per trade. I'm very confused about buys today. Yeah, it's probably gonna go sideways. Or if you're confused and you just don't trade it, just come back next week, bro. It'll be here. Hopefully more clear. Wait, did you trade today? I did trade today, yeah. SFT on ES, possibility short on that imbalance. Yeah, you could possibly short that imbalance. Yeah, it'll be better next week for sure. Both sides sideways. This is going up. Yeah, it is. SMT on ES. Yeah, I agree. Please avoid chat once you enter the trade. I think once I enter, it's fine. It's more before. Copy your background settings. It's lit, bro. Yeah, I think I like this too. For now, at least we'll keep it. But you're right, Sharma. Honestly, you're right. Maybe I'll start going live in the Discord. What time frame do you trade in? Usually the 1 minute, 1 to 5 minute. But primarily, I'm looking at the one. Yeah, it's good, bro. If you didn't take any trades today, you didn't miss much, bro. You didn't miss much. Stay alive, you know? It's all about longevity. NQ as a 4-hour refugee with a candle without a wick could be reacting to that. Or reaching for that. Oh, this? Yeah, that's a good drawn liquidity, man, for sure. I sent you a comment at 9:55 and I told you the price react from 9:30 Sibi and continue lower. Alright, yeah, let's see, man. It might happen. I said long. Impulse move for trace wick to said long A plus. Nice, bro. I hope you caught it. I don't know why you're telling me. I don't think you saw my message, but why don't you use VVOP or SMA9? I just don't believe they work, bro. I don't believe they work. Maybe they work, but in my opinion, for the wrong reason. So it's just that's just my personal opinion. In my opinion. I think they work, but they delayed. Yeah, they're a little bit delayed, and I don't know. Do longs look good here after 15-minute BOS and does that to an IFG? I don't know. It depends on your model. Like me personally, if I was here and I took 0 trades today, what would I do? I'd walk the fuck away, bro, and click X. Like I'd be done, 100%. I would have not. Me personally, I would not look for anything. What do you guys think about this? How strong am I convinced that this weekly FEG will hold? What TV shows you watch? I'm not watching anything right now. Actually, I need something. Ooh. Okay, I'll journal after. Actually, yeah. If you make every day, I make 300 1,300 off that? Damn, bro. I think I think code Gaddy30 is 30% off. If that doesn't work, then you can use code Gaddy. What time do you jump on YouTube? 9:15 a.m. Eastern time every single day, brother. Every single weekday, trading day. Honestly, I'm bullish until Trump inauguration day. Nice. I mean, sure. If you can stick staff. If you make 1,300, bro, yay, man. That's great, man. Make your 1,300. I think calls and Q's just lagging. Yeah, it is really lagging. Take care, Dragon. Appreciate you coming through, brother. As always. As always. Bro, I'm new. I'm from India. What's up, brother? Welcome. What app do you use for what? Trading? So this is trading view. I want to check spreads on FBT. Where can I check on NAS 100? Their spreads are raw, so I think you just look at the broker spreads. NAS 100 spreads, I can tell you. I can show you. Um, I can just tell you if you want. Spread says 120 right now. Is that a lot or no? 120. What's 120 mean? What does spread 120 mean? That sounds like a lot. Oh, $1.2? Oh, that's not bad. Why'd you change your chart colors? I don't know. Thought it was time for a change. Oh, pips. Ah, nice. Yeah, 120. I guess that's not too bad. What app do you use to make your trades? Top Step X and TradingView with Trade of 8 Apex. Buys for gold, all-time highs. No 120 is actually less than that 170, 200. Yeah, no. Funded by traders have raw spreads. They're really good spreads. They're probably one of the best spreads that you'll find. It's another reason I use them. I just earned 5,000. Nice, bro. Congratulations. You planning it on spending it in this TikTok stream? Vlad Duma rip. What happened? Who rip? Boom. Sure, thanks, man. Nice, bro. Nice. Well, looks like we're closing up here. I'll definitely be doing some journaling. I'll talk about how I shouldn't have trailed my stop here. I'll talk about how these longs were good. In hindsight, realistically, just staying away on a day like this, when you see this much expansion up, you know it's going to be a difficult market. Um, I like that we waited for a discount of the dealing range on the 15. We did a pretty good job. How long is it GP according to your model? I'm surprised you missed it. Um, yeah, there wouldn't have been an entry here for me. 1030, 1027 reversal. I wouldn't have trusted this breaker. 1050 macro. And there's an FEG there, but still no protraction. So no, my model, unless this is, oh no, yeah, you could have taken this in my model. 1046, playing off the 5-minute fair value gap. It's hindsight study, but yeah, you could have done something like this. This would meet my criteria, but I already took 2 trades today, so thoughts on XCN? I don't know what that is, but I believe in your opinion, bro. You got this. Okay, guys, we're gonna clear the charts, set up this for next week. So I'll put in the video here. Take care, Damon. Yep, McCall quits too. Put AMD here. And then Euro. Let's put USD JPY. Let's put odd JPY. Oh. And then We'll just put like Euro USD here. Nice, cool, cool, cool. Thanks for sharing your journey with us. Appreciate you, bro. My TP is if TikToks get banned, will you stream elsewhere? I'm already live on YouTube. If you're gonna troll though, don't come over to YouTube. You're just gonna be banned instantly, permanently banned. Don't mess around with the YouTube trolls. Thanks you once again. Appreciate you, brother. Take care, my man. Take care, my man. I'm TP's gonna hit. I'm hitting the gym. Yep. Today's my rest day, so I'm just gonna chill. Just gonna chill. Journal some bit. We have SMC 1050 macro today. Nice, bro. Nice. I'm glad that you found profits today, bro. See you, Harito. Appreciate you coming through, brother. Real one. All right, guys. I appreciate everyone coming through. Hopefully, we can turn it around next week. The loss streak continues. We're on a loss streak. It is what it is. It's gonna happen. We might lose our evals. That's okay. We get new ones. That's the whole point of the eval. You can risk 200, and if you lose it, then you get them back. But could this be my longest loss streak ever? Ooh, it's gonna be a new record actually. Because I think we're on 5. I'll check. Let me check. What's our loss streak at? Well, in terms of days, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 days. Yeah, we took 2 losses today. So 4 days. How many trades have I taken? 7. My best win streak was 7. My best loss streak was 7. I think it was days or trades. Hold on, let me check. I think it was trades, not days. Yeah, that's trades. But the thing is, I technically did have a win in between all those losses. I did have a win in between all those losses, so I don't think I'm on a 6. Like I did win one trade. So yeah, we're learning for sure, man. We're learning for sure. You showing Q? Yeah, here. How much do you expect on fundage in total? Bro, no idea, man. Like I have not been keeping track, but maybe like 2,000, maybe more. You see my message? Nope. You can send it again if you want. Top central? Yeah, man. Sideways. I don't know what our loss streak's on right now. I'm curious. So let's just think about it. We lost 2 today. We did not trade yesterday. The day before that, TradeZilla does not have an app. I think they're working on it though. I don't know, Jack. That's been happening. You're right. I don't like it. I don't like that it's been happening, but you're right. It has been happening. Just goes crazy pre-market, and then New York AM session sucks. Oh, it is what it is. Today's a shit day in NQ. Yeah. It's been a pretty bad week for me, but hopefully we can turn it around as long as we stay true to our model. Ooh, you know what will tell me my TradeZilla will tell me my loss streak. Let's go journal these trades. I'll just do it now since I'm already here. Might as well. L volume. Yeah. What happened to DXY? What do you mean what happened? What happened? I don't know. Send it on Instagram? Got you, bro. I'll check that out. All right, let's import these trades. Yo, oh no, he left. I'll have to message him after. Do I think Express gonna hit $10? Yeah, eventually, in my opinion, but not anytime soon. Just my opinion. Obviously, I'm not no pro. What app and template do you use? I use TradeZilla. You can still take a win, price take winner, some non-risky long soon. Nah, 2 trades is my max, but I gotta stay disciplined. More important than making money is staying disciplined. So I told myself that's it. 2 trade ideas per day max. That's it. Not taking any more. I'm gonna leave it at that. It's more important to stay disciplined than to make some money. Yeah, we could definitely find a way. Man, I could probably take 10 trades today and maybe end profitable one day, but that's not the goal. The goal is to be the best, precise, perfect trader that I can be. So we're gonna try and do that, you know? I'm gonna end stream in 1 minute. Trying to figure out what my loss streak is here. Because we did have one win that interrupted it. I love your mindset, bro. Appreciate you, bro. Take care, Mubashir. Yo, guys, my girl just texted me. We should switch our date into me learning how to trade. A crazy study session. Am I about to make a prodigy? Am I gonna make a prodigy? Well, maybe she'll be better than me, bro. Tell her you're on a live stream. No, she knows. She knows. She knows, but she's been there through the wins and the losses. She knows I'm good, man. She knows I'm good. Teacher, bro can't even trade himself. Just chill, bro. You gotta be rude, bro. I can trade. I'm just on a loss streak right now. Now she about to be my liquidity. She's trying to impress dudes. She's not trying to impress dudes, man. What are you guys saying, bro? My girl's good, bro. I think she generally just wants to learn. Uh, Damn. That's interesting. It's interesting. Is your girl a trader? I mean, today might be day one for her, man. She's gonna get emotional, blow up the account. I think she's gonna do better. To be honest, I think she'll do better because I don't think she's gonna have an ego. Can you copy trade on TradingView through Top Step? You'd have to get Tradeovate accounts and link them to Replicanto. What's the lot sizes? For Forex, I usually do like 1 to 2 lots, sometimes 0.5. But on futures, tell her to trade with trend lines? Hell no. I'm going to teach her 2022 model. I'm going to teach her liquidity, imbalances, time. I'm not even going to teach her time. I'm going to tell her just trade 8:30 to 9:30 to 11. And then I'm going to teach her liquidity, imbalances, and then the 2022 model. I'm not going to tell her anything else. I'm going to keep it simple. Listen, ICT created the 2022 model for his daughter because it's the most simple and effective way. So I'm gonna probably teach her the 2022 model. See, maybe she'll do better than me, bro. Maybe she'll do better than me. I think we're gonna raid the sell side, maybe during lunch, but I think it's gonna be prime. It's gonna be very difficult to get there. It's a very, very low resist. Like, there's no interest in it anymore, in my opinion. What's the 2022 model? ICT's 2022 mentorship. I think yes, Alam. I 100% think so. Yeah, you gonna get her on an eval? Yeah, I'll get her evals, of course. Not right away. Not right away, but eventually, yeah. Or maybe I'll just give her. Let's get this. Call it. Don't troll, bro. Like you're the only person that trolls in my YouTube chat. Like, take that in, bro. But I low-key wonder if my girl would be a better trader than me. That's what I'm saying, bro. Like, damn, my girl might be better than me, bro. I'm time you out, bro. How about that? How about that? What you gonna do now? What's the New York session macro? 950 to 1010, 1050 to 1110. If you don't teach her, then who will? Me, bro. What playlist should I watch to master 2022? 2022, bro. That's the only playlist you need. Ain't no way he has a girl. Gatie, you're a great, bro. You can learn from her. Maybe mentally, psychology, yeah. But yo, to be honest, like I know I'm on a lose streak, bro. I don't care if I lose the next. Okay, philosophy. I was gonna say the next 50 trades. Obviously, if that would be very concerning, something would definitely be wrong. But I have the data, guys. So I know everyone's like, oh, you're losing, which is fine. You guys can think which. I have the data. I'm not gonna change my model. I'll make small adjustments here and there as I see fit. I have the data. I have 4 years of data backing my model, telling me it's profitable. You know, so I'm not gonna change it. It's all about listen. It's all about me being able to determine. And I like it this way. I made my model very high probability, but I need to be able to identify the drawn liquidity and timing. Like that's the difficult part of the model. So obviously, yeah, I mean that's the most important part. Obviously, if you know where it's gonna go, um, like if you know where it's gonna go and what time it's gonna go, obviously that's the most important thing. But I mean that's the idea, right? I made my model so that if I know where it's gonna go, the time will align with that, and it's gonna be very high probability. Like I know I'm losing, but my model is very high probability. I just need to be right about the drawn liquidity. That's it. You know, if you really go back to the trades where I follow the model fully and the drawn liquidity is correct, the trade will play out like 9 out of 10 times, 8 out of 10 times. But you have to be right. If you don't know where it's gonna go, it's not a good, which is every model, obviously. Like I'm not saying my model is the only one, but I'm just letting you guys know. Like I have the data. I'm not gonna change anything. I just need to do a little bit better. What's your model? Gems. I can't just explain my model in one go. My model's a little bit more complex. Really, I have 6 models, but they all overlap. I'm trade 930 power of 3. My models break down the 930 power of 3 to the different ways it can form. That's it. What's your funded size? I'm only funded 50K right now. Which country are you from? Canada. Very soon, 6 models. No wonder you're losing. Yeah, see, then you got guys like this, bro. Like, are you the same Nick? No, it's a different Nick. All right. We'll let you stay here. How can you balance that many models? It's one model. It can just form different ways. But you don't need to understand it. It's for me. About a beat. Yeah, that's weird stuff, bro. Yeah, we traded today. Which country? Yeah, Canada. Anyways, boys, I appreciate everyone coming through. Um, how much did you lose before becoming profitable? I've only had listen. Everyone keeps asking me, am I profitable or not? I don't know, man. If I look at the total net sum of all my trades, Top Step told me I was profitable. Very slightly, but I was. That was last year. But I'm very inconsistent. I have either really good months with like 1 or 2 losses. This is last year. Or really bad months. Or like break even months. So I don't know. I don't really feel that profitable right now. But that's because I'm on a lose streak, right? If I was winning December, I'd be like, yeah, it's good. We were profitable last year, but like I don't know, man. I don't know. December was good for me. I'm not consistent. I really got to work on my consistency. You know, obviously having losing months is okay. I feel like I have too many losing months or too many break even months, considering how good my model is. What are gems? Gems is my model. Do you have a WhatsApp group for signals? No, I don't. I go live every day though. You trade with any discords? No, I don't trade with this. I have a Discord, but I don't trade with any Discords. Just use Friday strategy, hit TP. I'm done for the day. Nice, bro. Can you send me your model? It's all on my YouTube, brother. If you want my model, you can use it. It's up to you. I don't want to convince anyone to use my model. It's my model. So realistically, I like it. Some people, I know one of my students does better with my model than me. What's the win rate in backtest? Depending on the month, it averages 73, but it fluctuated from 60 to 90. You got lucky. Nice, bro. Take it. We'll take it. All right, boys. Are we opening a trade? No, I'm done for today. I'm gonna head out. I appreciate everyone coming through. You have a few day with losses. That doesn't mean your model is low probability. No, you're right. No, 100%. That's what I'm. Yeah, that's basically what I'm trying to say. We're on a losing streak, but listen, this is another thing too. I don't know if that's the 4 years, Junior. I mean, to be honest, I don't have a number on that because the thing is, I didn't backtest the exact same model for 4 years, right? What I did was I backtested each year, and then I made adjustments, and I went back and I went back and I went back until I liked the results that I was seeing. So I was making changes over and over and over again. Does that make sense? Which I think is how you're meant to backtest, right? Imagine I just made a model, backtested 4 years, and I was like, I don't like it. Let me do it again. Like, okay, I'm not gonna do 4 years backtest every single time, right? You kind of make changes as you go. Every like 20 to 50 trades or every couple months of backtest, I would slightly adjust my model, just make it a little bit more higher probability, a little bit more clear, a little bit more easy and simple to identify and use. And I kept doing that over and over until I liked the results. And that process was a total of 4 years in backtest. There's only been 1 year I backtested my model, which was I went back to 2024 and I backtested my model and I got 75, like 73, some I don't know what the number is. My model's on YouTube, yeah. What's your win rate? Right now, 20%. We only won one trade and lost, well, I guess four then. Wait, how's that possible? Wait, how's my win rate 20%? It should be way lower. Mm. Oh, I don't know how my win rate 20%. I thought it was worse, but I thought it was like 10. Anyways, I'm gonna head out, boys. I appreciate everyone coming through. I will see you guys live. I guess I'll update you guys. If you guys want to keep track of my girls trading journey, I'll probably post about it in the Discord. Oh, appreciate you, Toxic. Love you, brother. Seems to respect that FEG. It's probably gonna go for the buy side. This looks very bullish order flow. When will you buy a Porsche 911 GT3 RS? Probably tomorrow. Yeah, probably tomorrow. Cause I'm up like $100 on my Nvidia position right now. So we'll probably just use that money and buy a Porsche. We're up, Pookie. What's up, Lieutenant? Lieutenant Collar. Those guys locked in. We took a loss today, brother. Nice. That was a joke, guys. I definitely cannot afford a Porsche. Um, but that's the dream car, I guess. That is the dream car. Damn, what's happening with odd JPY, bro? So it's going, no problem. Yeah, we good, bro. We good. Just another day. What religion? I'm Muslim. You don't have to justify yourself because you lost. Yeah, I know. I'm just here to answer some questions. Take care, Sarvan. Appreciate you. Appreciate everyone coming through. I appreciate you, Harmony. Harmony Haven Melodies. You make those audios? What you trading? This is Nasdaq, but I'm about to head out. We're done trading for the day. I appreciate everyone coming through. If you're gonna get banned on TikTok, come over to YouTube. But please, if you're a troll, do not come to YouTube chat. I mean, you can come, but you're just gonna get banned. In fact, I probably should make some more YouTube mods. There's a lot of people who can become a mod here. Wang Jerry. Uh, I'm talking about YouTube mods. YouTube mods. YouTube chat's the one that's, no offense, a little bit more impactful and more important to me. Just because there's a lot of trolls on TikTok. You know, it is what it is. You know, YouTube chat's been with here. I've been live on YouTube for 6 months straight. TikTok chat's pretty troll. They just try to make me mad. But YouTube chat is good. W trolls, yeah. See, like you got people like that, bro. L trolls, bro. Anyways, I've been saying I'm gonna go for so long. I gotta go make breakfast. I'm hungry. Your model is taller on your YouTube, and in my Discord, which is free. I don't hide any information. No, you good, bro. You good. Yeah, models on YouTube. It's Gems PO3 Mastery. That series is my model. How much are you trading with? I trade on prop firms, brother. Gotta watch you on YouTube Monday. Hey, welcome to the team, bro. Um, how much are you trading with? Yeah, I trade with prop firms. If you're talking about my stock account, then I have it's about 8,000. It's almost actually it's 7.5, but if this trade plays out on Nvidia and AMD, will be about 8,000. I think we'll get around 500. I mean, depends if I scale in and if I TP earlier. You know, like we'll see how that goes. But that account's 8,000 US dollars. And part of me wants to take out 1,000 in my stock account and put it in a live. But like, why? Might as well just get more props. Have a beautiful weekend. Appreciate everyone coming through. I'm gonna go make some breakfast. It wasn't easy for me today, Fins. It's okay, bro. You come back next week, journal this. It happens, bro. Not every week's gonna be good. Not every month's gonna be good. You know? I did not take the buys on NQ. No, not these ones. If that's what you're talking about. We did not win today. This week was not easy. Was not easy for me either, bro. You know, losing streak continues. We took one win, but like it's a losing. Oh, I can see my trade here. So we won. So we lost one, lost. So 4 losses, one. So we're on a 2 loss. We're on a 2 loss streak. When did I win? 15? What I took? Oh, I remember what happened. That's why the loss streak's interrupted. It should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But we took a win. I remember what happened. On Top Step X, I'll tell you guys just so you guys can see. This is why the loss streak was interrupted. This is also break even, so it doesn't count. But I left a sell limit on my Top Step X, and I came back to my computer, and it was like 5 points in profit. So I just closed it right away. And it was $50 profit. Obviously, I didn't like. I could have held it and broke even and tried to get lucky, but I felt like it was wrong and cheating. Like if I'm gonna pass these accounts, I want to pass them, properly. So maybe we'll even try to make $57 more if we pass. Like just completely negating that as if it never happened. Because at the end of the day, I'm here to build perfection. Right? I'm not here to make money. I'm not here to pass my account. Obviously, that's the goal, but our main priority is to perfect our trading. I was up on the week, but today wrecked me a bit. It wrecked me the same as every other day this week. I'm pretty good when it comes to that. I don't really have like days that define my account, but it is what it is. Anyways, boys, I'm gonna head out for real this time. I appreciate everyone coming through. I'll see you guys live Monday, and I'll be posting a YouTube video this weekend. I will see you guys. Let me not shut down my computer. Peace out, brother.